welcome to Kidz Vidz. I hope we're all doing well. So as you know, Samsung released a new phone called Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and already 2 people have requested that. And their names are Vidz and Aditya Tapan. So in this video, I decided to make a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So the materials you'll need are a small piece of cardboard and a small piece of thin cardboard, black paper, scissors, black tape, glue, pencil, and ruler. So let's get started. So the first step is to draw 2 rectangles 6.5 inches by 3 inches, and let's cut it out. Now, let me curve out the edges. So the next step is to glue these 2 pieces together. So the next step is to take the black tape and border it around the edges. Now that our border's done, let's focus on the camera. For the camera, you want to take a small cardboard piece and draw a rectangle on it 2 inches by 1.5 inches, and we're going to cut it out. I've now got a printout of the camera, and I'm going to stick it on here. The next step is to make the back side of the phone. So we are going to take this phone and we're going to stick it over here on the black paper. Now, let's take the scissors and cut off the excess. So this is how the back side looks like. The next step is to stick the camera on the back of the phone. So we're going to stick it on the edge. Now I'll write Samsung on the bottom of the phone. So the next step is to make the border for our camera, which will start from here to here. For that, I've drew a small rectangle 3.5 inches by 8 millimeters, but before we cut that out, we need to take a black piece of tape and we're going to stick it on the back side of the thin cardboard. Now let's flip it and cut it out. Now, we'll stick this on the border of our camera. So now that I'm done adding the camera's border, I've also added a volume button and a power button. And the volume button is supposed to be on the camera border, and the power button is supposed to be roughly on the middle of the edge. Now finally, we're going to stick the screen. So this is how my screen looks like. So let's stick it on the front side of our phone. So this is how my final Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra looks like. So this is the front side, this is the camera, and these two are the volume and power buttons. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comment section down below. Bye! Stay tuned till the next video.